Hi all, this is Vijay Prakash. I'm presenting our final year project. So bonds and pension schemes. Our team members are Bhupesh Pranam and Sridhar Prasad. Our creator is Dr. S.K. Manikandan. I'm presenting my project on behalf of all of them. So our project mainly focuses on the bonds and pension scheme which every organizations and every offices, every management follows. So which is a normal typical pension scheme that everyone follows. So in that we have made some technical advancements which could easily help the peoples like us, common people, to manage and maintain their pension scheme so properly. So here comes our agenda of the project. So a PPT is followed in such a way containing the object of the project, the objective of a project, literature survey, like from where we have referred our project, existing systems, and the pros and cons of existing systems, our proposed work, and some more things which we will be seeing in upcoming slides. Yes, so the main abstract of the project is to create a productive and safe environment in order to maintain a proper bond, proper pension scheme under any organizations. So, for example, in any organizations, if you work, they maintain a separate pensioning method. So, where a small amount will be redeemed to your pension account every month. So, at the end, when you're leaving the organizations or when you're leaving, when you wish to take back all those money, you can get that back. So this is how it usually works. So in such a in this process we have made some advancements like maintaining the security of the entire structure, entire process, so making it in a proper correlative way, so which doesn't cause any kind of defects or any kind of disaster to the peoples whoever have their pension accounts. So main objective of the project is to develop a feasible and safer environment for managing and maintaining the organization within the country. So this project mainly aims to encourage citizens to save and invest a secure and stable asset class. So the main motive of having this pensioning scheme and then bonds is like just to keep your money safe somewhere and make it available whenever you want. So this is like not an easy way because it is usually the interest that you'll be paying some amount to the government. The government will be paying the interest for the amount you pay. So in such a way it works. So it includes more confidential data of both a commoner and data from a government. So it includes money and transaction as well. So in such kind of typical tedious process, security must be more importantly and priorly considered. So in order to ensure security and other things, we have brought up a project. So here are the literature surveys. So the model papers which we referred to get a project done. So the first project and first paper is employee quality classification using SVM and XGBoost method. So which gave us a clear idea of how employee management is managed and maintained in many organizations, that too using modern technological tools. And then this was published in 2022. So this was something very recent. So this gave us a very good picture of how it must be driven. So likewise, we have some more papers like integration of smart login, vacant vacational rental management system. So all these systems gave us a clear picture of how to manage and maintain some a system to technical way. So as because these papers also manage some commoner peoples, so our project is also focused on commoner, and hence all this made us to bring out the things whichever we wish. So this is the existing system. The existing system is like less secure when compared to the proposed system. So the existing system has very less security, so data can be easily like used by anyone. They can be easily hacked or it can be did they can do anything they wish. So we have ensured the security in our proposed system and maintain it in a more protocol. We have implemented more protocols, so which will ensure security as well and improve the reliability of the project as well. So this is one added feature of a project. So here comes architecture diagram of our project, so which clearly picturize how it works. So basically, you will be being an employee, you'll be created an account will be created for you by your organization. So that will be sent stored in the system. So those in a common systems. So those requests are supervised by operations team. From operations team, it goes to various teams like risk and compliance, and various teams will be reviewing your account, and they'll be verifying it, so whether it is a valid and proper account to create and store your money. So these are the software which I use. So we have used Windows software, so Windows OS. So the main the main tool which we use is Mendix, SQL, AWS S3 bucket. So which AWS S3 bucket is one of the most important thing which help us bring more security, because as I said before, it involves a lot of payments and security issues. So AWS S3 bucket is primarily considered cloud storage data, so which ensures more security. So we have different modules. So the entire project is developed on these modules, which will be useful while creating some user manual, will be useful in going the stepwise development. So these are the different modules which we follow to develop our project. So here comes a brief explanation of whatever things we have used. So module one is something like a basic preliminary one, and module three comes with the user password reset. So basically, some random email will be sent to you from that you want to log in into the system and you want to access all the systems. So if you are a part of the organization, you want to pay some amount to the organization. So if you are leaving the organization, you want to redeem all the amount from the organization. So then you can deactivate your account and you can go out of the organization. So this is based for being a user. I have these functionalities, and being an admin, I can able to create an account for the employees. I can manage all the employees payrolls. I can able to visualize all the records through reports and dashboards. So there will be functionality both for the employees and the end users and the admins as well. So we have planned everything under 12 models, which made us give a clear picture of what we are going to do. So here are the sample outputs where the customer will be logging in, he'll be creating a company. So from the company, he'll be adding his employees, and the employees will be created and a pensioning account. So it will be sent to the company, a company admin. It will be created by company admin, and those requests will be forwarded to the government officials who will be reviewing all your documents and reports and in company background, and they'll be creating an official pensioning account from the government. So these are all the screens where the employees will be adding their employers will be adding their employees, and approving and rejecting all their requests and other stuff. So yes, so including this, so our project mainly focuses on the pensioning and bond scheme that every organizations have. So as I said before, the added advantages, like we follow a system where both the admins and the employees can come together under one platform and work. So the existing systems do not have such a way. In existing systems, the admins from government officials have separate application, and the company employers have separate applications. So which is like they want to get data from that application using this, so which is hard and it takes more time. So we brought everything under one roof, from where the government officials and the company admin and the employers, everyone can come and access the application, and that too with more ensured security. So this is our work for our final year project. So we have also planned to build something with AI, which makes it more comfortable for every user and any user to use it so easily. So that is our future work, and we have planned it to deploy as a mobile application and a website in a server. So these are our future plans. So these are some of the references which helped us which drive us in a right way to get our project done. So this is our project. Thank you so much for hearing. Thank you.